Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to pin a sticker to a face or object in a video on TikTok like this. Before we begin, don't forget to enter my third giveaway where I'm giving away a £10 Amazon gift card voucher to a random subscriber every week. You just need to subscribe and comment on this video. A link will show up at the top right. Winner will be announced on Sunday 21st March 2021. To begin with, let's open up the TikTok app. Now tap on the plus sign to create a video. I'll upload a video which I have in my photo library of Elon Musk. Press next on the screen and then this will take me to the editing studio for TikTok. Now I'll tap on stickers and select the sticker which I want to pin to the person. I'll choose a crown for this. Now I'll long press on the sticker and then tap on pin. Now in this screen I'll adjust the sticker onto the clip and I'll basically make it look like he's wearing a crown. Once you're done, then tap on pin at the bottom right. TikTok will process the video and the sticker will then start tracking where you placed it on the video. And there you go, that is how to pin stickers to your video. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.